In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold the origami model Home is Where the Heart Is I designed in March 2020. I'll use a square with a side length of 15 centimeters or 6 inches, and the resulting house is then 6 centimeters or 2 2/5 of an inch high, 4.5 centimeters or 1 4/5 of an inch wide, and about 1.5 centimeters or 3/5 of an inch deep. As you can see, the model stands up robustly. For a house with a colored roof and heart, start with the color side up. First, we have to divide the paper into thirds. For this, I like to shape this zigzag pattern and align one raw edge with this bend and the other raw edge with this bend, and then adjust the lengths until they all meet up like this. Then I'm going to pinch on both sides and then use those pinch marks, aligning edge with edge to create straight horizontal creases. First this one and then the other one too. Of course, you can use any other method that you prefer for getting these thirds. Now fold in along that existing crease in the top and take the lower raw edge and bring it to that crease line too. Unfold, but keep this top crease folded. Now we're going to fold in half by bringing edge to edge, crease, unfold, and then bring the sides into the center. Next, take these top inside corners and fold out just the top layer, aligning this edge with that edge. Repeat on the other side. Then take that edge right here and press on it to squash down the paper symmetrically, aligning that fold with this parting right here. Like this, you'll get a nice and precise finish. Repeat on the other side. Open the pocket and press on the crease, squashing down the paper so that you get a nice precise point here, and align that mountain fold that was an edge previously to get a nice symmetrical finish. Next, let's form the heart. For this, fold behind this section of paper along the crease we prepared previously, like that. Then flip over the model. Now we're going to go inside this layer, opening it up so that we make an asymmetrical squash fold. We'll want to align this edge about this point perhaps, so that it lies right on this point right there. For this, I'm going to slightly open that side just so that it's a bit more visible. So we're pressing this paper to get a nice point here and to align that edge with this point right here. Can you see that? And then crease. You only need to go up to the center. Then repeat on the other side. Again, bringing that paper to this alignment and creasing up to the center. Then fold both of these creases at the same time and you'll get a small flap right here, and you can flatten that to one side. It doesn't matter which one. Next we're going to shape the heart. For this we're going to fold behind along these existing crease lines. I prefer flipping the paper over and then just creasing where the paper naturally wants to fall. Like this. And then fold in some small corners here to finish forming this heart, which I'm sure you can recognize now. And fold it in as much as you like. Trying to make those two points right here meet. Now, with the heart formed, we're going to fold up along this existing crease line, but we're going to go through this additional layer too. So make a strong crease, really folding through all layers. Like this. Then, to form the roof, we're going to fold diagonally along this edge of the house. Again, I prefer flipping over the model and making a valley fold, and it's very easy to see where you have to put that crease. And make a strong crease and unfold and repeat on the other side. Now you want to fold both at the same time. So for this I'm just going to press in these two creases and have that top section pop out like that and press it flat. Can you see? I'm just pressing this together like this and then bringing it to one side. And now to lock this together, take this flap right here and I'm just going to fold it along that edge right there, and then I'm going to tuck that paper inside like this so that it's nicely locked. Now, just so that the weight is distributed equally on both sides, I like to make this stand up. So I fold it to both sides and then align it like this. Finally, we're going to fold in these sides right here, starting a crease right in this point and going down vertically. I'm catching this point right here and then aligning the edge with itself to get a nice straight crease and a 90-degree angle right here. And repeat on the other side. Make strong creases because there are many layers of paper here. I like to use this large area of my thumbnail for that. If you have a bone folder, you can use that, of course, too. And then Your home is where the heart is all done. These folds will want to unfold by themselves, but if they don't, because you're using very thin paper or maybe foil, do make sure that they are in about a right angle, right here, so that your house stands nicely and robustly. You can also download diagrams for this model from happyfolding.com or Origami USA's online magazine, The Fold. Now, if you liked this video, do let me know by giving it a thumbs up, commenting below, and sharing it with others. Plus, if you're looking for more models to fold, check out the playlists I've put together. Finally, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next videos. I hope to see you around. Stay safe and healthy, and as always, happy folding!